friend. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. I am so happy to be here with you today. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about a social event. We are going to talk about going to a party. Parties are fun, but for many people, they are a little bit scary when you speak a new language. You might worry about how to say hello, how to meet new people, or what to bring. But don't worry. Most parties are relaxed and friendly. In this lesson, we will follow a story about Alex. Alex is invited to a birthday party for his friend, Sarah. We will learn the simple words he uses to say happy birthday, talk about food, and say goodbye. I will speak very slowly. I will use very simple sentences. After the story, we will have our repeat after me section to practice your speaking. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. It is a Saturday evening. The sun is going down, and the sky is a soft orange color. Alex is at his house. He is getting ready for a party. His friend Sarah is having a birthday party. Alex is wearing a clean blue shirt and dark pants. He looks in the mirror and smiles. He feels a little bit nervous, but he is mostly excited. Alex looks at the kitchen table. There is a gift. It is a book about travel, wrapped in bright green paper. Sarah loves to travel. He also has a small bottle of juice to share. Alex says,
Okay, I am ready.
Alex walks to Sarah's house. It is not far. As he gets closer, he hears music. It is happy music. He sees colorful lights in the windows. He reaches the front door and knocks. The door opens. It is Sarah. She is wearing a pretty dress and a big smile. She says,
Alex, you came.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Alex says loudly. He gives her the green gift.
This is for you.
Sarah says,
Thank you so much. Please, come in. Everyone is in the living room.
Alex walks inside. The house is full of people. Some people are talking. Some people are laughing. The room smells like delicious food. Alex sees a long table. On the table, there is a big chocolate cake. There are also chips, small sandwiches, and bowls of fruit. Sarah asks,
Would you like a drink, Alex?
Yes, please. I would like some water.
Sarah gives him a glass of water. Alex stands by the table. He sees a man he does not know. The man is wearing a red sweater. Alex decides to be brave. He walks to the man. Alex says,
Hello, my name is Alex.
Hi, Alex.
The man says,
I am Tom. I am Sarah's brother.
Alex says,
Nice to meet you, Tom. Are you having fun?
Tom says,
Yes, the music is great. Do you like the cake?
Alex says,
I haven't tried it yet, but it looks very good.
Alex and Tom talk for a few minutes. They talk about the weather and their jobs. Alex uses simple words. He speaks slowly. Tom understands him perfectly. Alex feels happy. Speaking English is not so scary after all. Later, everyone gathers around the table. The lights go dark. Sarah's mom brings the cake. There are candles on the cake. Everyone starts to sing. Sarah blows out the candles. Everyone claps and cheers. Sarah cuts the cake. She gives a piece to Alex.
Thank you.
Alex says. He takes a bite.
This is delicious chocolate cake.
The party continues for 2 more hours. Alex meets 2 more people. He tells them he is learning English. They are very kind. They speak slowly to help him. At 10 o'clock, Alex feels a little bit tired. It is time to go home. He finds Sarah near the door. Alex says,
Sarah, Thank you for the party. I had a wonderful time.
Sarah says,
I am glad you came, Alex. Thank you for the gift.
You are welcome. Good night, Sarah.
Alex walks home under the stars. The air is cool. He thinks about the party. He met new friends. He ate good food. And most importantly, he practiced his English. He smiles. He is ready for the next party.
Good night, Alex.
Now, let's practice your speaking. I will say a useful sentence from the story. I will pause, and you repeat the sentence out loud. Let's practice being social. Happy birthday, Sarah. This gift is for you. Thank you for inviting me. Where should I put my coat? Hello, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Would you like a drink? The food is delicious. I like this music. I am learning English. Can you speak slowly, please? I had a great time. Thank you for the party. Good night, everyone. Now, I will tell the story again, but a little bit faster. Listen to how the words connect. Just relax and listen. Alex was excited to go to Sarah's birthday party on Saturday. He wore a blue shirt and brought a book as a gift. When he arrived, the house was full of music and happy people. He said happy birthday to Sarah and met her brother, Tom. They talked about the party and the weather. Later, everyone sang happy birthday and ate chocolate cake. Alex practiced his English with new friends and had a wonderful time. Before leaving, he thanked Sarah for the invitation and walked home feeling very happy. You did a fantastic job today. Social situations like parties are the best way to practice your English. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just be like Alex. Be brave, say hello, and enjoy the cake. Thank you so much for practicing with me, David, here on Speak Easy English. If you enjoyed this lesson, please click the like button. It helps me a lot. Share this video with a friend who wants to learn English. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you never miss a lesson. I have a question for you. Do you like big parties or small parties? Tell me in the comments. I read every comment and I love to hear from you. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.